Modelling is an integral part of the process to estimate energy consumption across end-use sectors. Modelling is valuable by itself or as a complement to results from other methods, such as, for example, a household survey or data on housing stock from administrative sources. A model produces output-based data based on input data and on a number of assumptions. Output data can provide insights into energy consumption or greenhouse gas emissions at the sectoral or subsectoral level, or activity data such as diffusion of a given appliance within the residential sector. Models are also essential for consolidating historical time series on end uses and can be used to build energy projections and scenarios into the future. While all models are by design only estimates and projections, they can be a useful tool in informing policy priorities. The key steps of modelling work include, firstly, establishing the modelling framework, then setting model assumptions, inputting data, running the model, and validating its outcomes against the data, and analysing the results. The quality of input data and the accuracy of assumptions will strongly influence the quality of the output. Many of the country data collected by the IEA raise the issue of the lack of availability of good quality data across end-use sectors to effectively model energy consumption trends. In most cases, models for energy efficiency indicators are bottom-up models, which takes either a statistical or an engineering approach. Bottom-up simply means that model inputs are disaggregated at the end-use level. Engineering models can be more technical and include technology-level information such as life cycle and cost, and could even assume technology evolution. When sufficient end-use level information is lacking, modelers rely more on a top-down approach based on macro and microeconomic elements, as well as studies and research linking variables such as disposable income, household spending, and energy consumption. Building energy simulation tools can assess the potential of a particular measure on an individual building. These tools can be used to simulate the energy consumption of a building across a day, season, or year, considering its geometry, systems, and the external climate. Many tools are available, ranging from free open-source software such as Energy Plus and OpenStudio to professional packages such as Design Build and IES VE. Archetype models can be created based on standard model inputs including building envelope and system characteristics, building orientation, and geometry. These models can help identify the most cost-effective strategies to save energy. In order to estimate the energy consumption of the whole sector, a mixture of top-down and bottom-up approach is required, as in the IEA's building energy model. Starting from socioeconomic assumptions, the building sector model determines demand drivers such as household occupancy, building floor area, and appliance ownership, and the related useful energy demands. These energy demands are then applied across the building and end uses and technology choices to calculate the final energy consumption across the 35 model countries and regions.